Yes guys, welcome back. It's your boy Pablo cooking TV guys. Yes guys, tonight we're gonna do some grilled fish, foil paper. We have some blue parrot, clay parrot. Then we have some French vivano fish. So we're gonna season that together and then we're gonna foil it up, put it on a grill, and stay tuned guys. Yes, as you can see guys, we have tomato, let's see, scallion, thyme, onion and garlic, everything together with some other herbs. So we're gonna put that in the tomato, foil it up, tomato, everything together, put it in the foil paper with the fish. So just stay tuned guys. You guys can see, we have the fish there. So we're gonna bust a split on the middle, bust a triangle, another one again on the other side. Like that. See me. Snapper fish, parrot fish, you don't want too much cut. But them fish, see me. I'm good for that. Yes guys, so I'm going to season my fish. So stay with me guys and just watch me go on. See that black pepper? It look like porridge but it's not. See me? Garlic powder. Ginger paste powder also. Bear with me guys. Then we're gonna put some Goya. Not too much seasoning guys. Then put some little bit herbs. Then a bit of fish seasoning. A little bit of onion seasoning. See me? Let it go on there. Guys, for me, I like to put a little bit apple cider inside instead of like not all the time lime, apple cider. So finish it. Yeah. So then we're gonna sprinkle the salt on top a little bit. Some salt. And a lot. A little bit of pure real sesame. You know, I'm in Paris, so you know we gotta give it something different from the Caribbean. You know, Vinci, big up yourself. Yes, just like that. I'm gonna drop some olive oil, as you can see, olive oil. So like that. Pio. Again, we got a little bit of curcuma inside. Instead of curry, curcuma. Curcuma is very healthy, so you know, add some curcuma. So guys, normally I use knife to cut on my stuff. But sometimes scissors, you know. This is that I use for my hair. This is scissors in the kitchen. So you see me? You can just use it like, you know, a real quick, fast, chop. Same way. If I use my hand. But never mind. See me? Cooking is cooking. Everything is natural here, as you can see. Yeah. Alright guys, before we do anything else, we're gonna add some rosemary. Rosemary. We'll do it how we can guys. Just like that. So rosemary. Some flavor, everything. You see me? Guys, we're just gonna need it. Ouch. I want to pat the chutney boy. That's okay. We have the seasoning inside for that guys. Good. So that properly seasoning guys. I need no more salt. Got that. Easy marinated. Whoa. Alright guys, as you can see the foil paper. So you're gonna add some butter. So you're gonna do it like that. Different. Then add Dorade crunch. Say that. do. The fish will come out. So that. So you got the herbs up top. The garlic. Garlic inside. Onion inside. Tomato inside. Push the hub directly like that. See me guys? Right, guys, we're gonna add some oil. Also, right. And we're gonna cover it up top. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Watch me video, just like that. File. So I did in my country in St. Vincent. I'm a barbecue man, so I know. So you guys, you don't see too much. So that. Turn. Turn again. On the other side, the same side. You turn again. And there you go. This side. Flip it. Press. There you go. Just a minute. I know that some people do it different. I do it different too. So we also add a little bit water for it not to stick. Just like that. And then fuck. Sorry guys. Fold it. There. Alright guys, it's one from the grill. Yes guys, you're gonna do the second one. So we're gonna add the butter. This is the butter. Put it in here. Just like that. Butter. Just like that. Spread it out. Then we're gonna add the fish. You can see red snapper, not red snapper, sorry, parrot fish. Finish the sauce off with that. The snapper fish, because turn it around like that, so you can see. Putting the tomato inside, skin, adding some herbs on the top, like that. Garlic, onion inside. Like that. So everything is nice. Everything are cooked together like that. This guy, as usual, you're gonna add some oil. So it's an oil. We don't want the pot to stick or the grill. So now going to let it cover like that. Like that. And you're going to fold like that for 1 to 2. And then you're going to go with the front and try to fold 1 and 2, just like that. You can fold another one again, make it 3, because after when it's gonna start to boil, it's gonna come up. And then from the end here, you're gonna pull up just like this, like that, like this, like that, like this. Press that, leave it like that, and then you're gonna put some little bit water. First, I'm gonna join the water with the seasoning. So guys, there we go. Put that inside. That's how we go. Hold it. 1, 2, press. 3, press. 4, press. So it is. Got that, people. And the barbecue tonight. In the balcony. Yeah. Alright guys, there we go guys. We're gonna put on the fish. Like that. Uncooked. Like that. Outside French balcony grill. Like that guys. Grill fish. Night balcony Paris. Look at that guys. Fish is popping. See it? So we guys in United France. See? On my balcony, my barbecue fish. Like that guys. So guys, just turn over the fish. See me? And cook. Hot like fire. So it is guys. So I live in Paris. Can do as you like. They do what it is. So yes people. Look at that. She's done people. Leaf. Alright guys, now show the plate. I'll show you how the fish is going. Look at that people. Whoa. Brush off the food. Say that. Yes, people. Got that. Lovely. Alright guys, you're gonna add some broccoli. Like that. Hey guys, some cucumber inside, like that. There you go guys. Steam outside Paris fish. You see me? Yes, cucumber, tomato and broccoli. Look at that. So it is outside in Paris. Yes guys, hope you like this one. So it is. Guys, I hope you like this quick and fast video. As you can see what you have there. Broccoli, steam grilled fish. Like we do it in Paris on the balcony. And then we have our okra. Sorry about that. We have our cucumber and tomato. See me? Yeah. Paris live. Look at that. dinner time. Yes, me beautiful people. See you in the next one. Yo, stay tuned. Bless. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You don't know. Yeah.